Okay, so today is we're going with Mr. Arbab. Where are we going?
We are going to Dark House dinner.
Dinner, see? Because he has so much money.
Only today, but
And this is okay. So he is rich too much rich. But this is the most rich here. With with dirty bambam. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're here now in saan to? Where is this at?
This one?
What place is this?
Abra.
Al Abra. So we're going to choose which boat. There's only 2 boats now, and the rest are not working. Not working. That one not working. Only that one over there. So we're going there, and let's see how much will our local guy here can be able to get discount. Sure, why no discount? Okay, let's go. Okay, so we found one. It's 40 dirhams. It's good. It's good. 40 dirhams for one person.
So that's like
Give discount. Okay, let's check that other one. Okay, so this is the boat number 2. And then there's a boat number 3. I think the first one is much beautiful. Huh? How about that one? The other one. Okay, so we're here on the, what's the name of this? So we go here. We thought we are 6. So later we will eat. Let's see food.
I give you for this way, for this discount.
But the same price as that one.
I already asked you which one you want. You see already here.
And we're already here. Okay, so we're eating now. Going to eat now with Arbab. But there's more food here than the other docros that we ride. There's more choices of food. Pero in fairness, marami yung food nila. Okay, so we're going now. Yeah? How is the food? You like? You like the food? You like the food? Dahil sa hindi tayo natuloy mag-picnic ito, nag-cruise na lang kami tatlo. Wow! Eto. Meron na kami na-discover dito sa what is this? Abra?
Al Abra.
Al Abra, 40 lang. At madami yung food. Kaya punta tayo dito next week, ha? Pagkasahod. Under the bridge. Under the bridge tayo. May pa-music. mascot sila dito. Ayan, at nakikita mo yung likod niya. Ayan, sasayaw yung mascot nila dito. Okay, natapos sa pagsasayaw nung mascot. Okay sana. Kaso nga lang nung pagtaas ng kamay, kita mo yung balahibo sa kamay niya. Ayan po, so duman po tayo dito sa floating bridge na hindi na po umaandar. Parang pinatigil na nila kasi mas nila yung pag-aangkat na lang kaysa sa'yo. Gamitin tong bilang bridge para sa mga pasahero. Pero okay. At masarap ang hangin. Okay, so very relaxing po talaga pag sumasakay ka ng bangka. Are you relaxed? Good relax? Good and relax. So ayun nga. Bigla na namin naisip na kami ay sumakay ng GoCo. So, this is your first time riding? And he is the Arbab. And then there is the mascot with big hands making heart. So ito 2 hours na biyahe po ito. Kaya pagkatapos ng kumain, may konting entertainment, tapos may kukuha ng picture sa inyo. At ayun nga, ibibenta yung picture sa inyo. Depende sa inyo kung bibili nyo o hindi. Kaya tingnan natin kung magkano yung picture na yun. The last time kami nila Francis kasi is 25. Ewan ko kung magkano dito. Okay, pupunta po under the bridge tayo. Sino nakaalala sa inyo na movie na My Best Friend's Wedding? So yung eksenang yun is si Julia Roberts at saka yung kanyang ex-boyfriend, ex-friend na matagal yung mahal na at hindi nga masabi. Sinabi sa kanya ng kanyang best friend na kapag meron kang moment, if you have the moment to say something, don't let the moment passes by. So dumaan sila sa ilalim ng bridge. Nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na maging close sila pero hindi niya pa rin sinabi. At hanggang sa end of the ng movie, hindi niya masabi. Hanggang sa nasabi na niya nung araw ng wedding niya. Tara po yung tandoori dancer. Ang ginagawa niya, magpaikot-ikot ka ng ewan ko kung ilang minutes yung paikot-ikot lang ito eh. Pero ang galing yung balance niya.
Bravo, amazing.
What can you say? Ito, may papinsa. Pero nakakahilo yun ha. Ang nakakatuwa kasi, lalapitan ka niya tapos ilalagay niya sa iyo. Bubulungan ka niya, sabihin niya, you give me money. Hindi ko nga tampo. Yan na. Pero ang hirap na ginagawa nila ha. Hindi ko kaya magpaikot-ikot. Pizza! What can you say? Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so tapos na po ang show. Tayo na po ay magmuni-muni. What can you say? Amazing. Pero, but they have nice picture today. Very nice picture. But the picture is 25 dirhams. No, they took two picture, 25 dirhams each. And I said only one. But the guy says, no, two. No, one. Ayun, kaya ayun. Pero maganda yung mga picture naman nila. Maganda yung pagkakakuha. Kaya, ayun, may ano siya. May souvenir souvenir from Arbab Suhil. Ito na po yung Al-Saif. Ayan. pag may nagpupunta ng Alsif. Oy, Philip, ito ni Alsif. Ha? All the... That one. The wind goes there. So that's the first air condition. The wind goes there, so that the whole house is very cold. The wind passes over. Yeah, this one. Okay, so meron po tayo dito ng kapitbahay. Hello! Our neighbor. Kapitbahay po natin ano. Are we going this way? Are we going down? Are we what? How? We're going this way? Okay, bababa na po tayo. Okay. Then we have to go on that one. Tayo po ibababa na. We're going down. And you can see our neighbor over there on the other side. Okay, so para magko-connect po ang dalawang bangka, so bangka dito tapos bangka dito sa kabila para doon kami lalabas. Doon ata kami lalabas, hindi ko alam. So how can we go out? Kasi meron na pong bangka dito sa harapan natin. So our plan is when we go on the other boat, we will sit down and then we ride again. We ride again for free. So ito yan, connect po tayo dito sa ay, lalabas tayo dito. We're going out. Are we going down here? Thank you. Bye. Wait, I need to take... Wait. Okay, so this is the best dancer. Woo! Okay. Okay, so we're done riding the Cleopatra Do Cruise. How is the experience? Hello. Very nice. Did you like the food? Okay. Well, until now, I'm still full, no? So, we're going to walk all the way to... Where are we going? And then we're going for Sisha by the request of this guy. We've done the request of this guy. Now, this guy's request. Okay? Okay, so this time... After we walk now, we're in Shisha house by the request of this guy. So, what can you say, Arbab?
It's okay.
Not amazing? Ito, akala ko kung ano ito. Yung pala, ashtray lang pala. Ang drama niya, too much drama. Ashtray lang pala. Kanina ko pa siya binubuksan. Tapos sinabi sa akin nung ano, ashtray lang pala. Akala ko paminta. Kaya ashtray lang.